ProfitDrive review demo and $5,297 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my ProfitDrive review. Now this is a product that is a little bit different. It is being released by Mike McKay and Radu Hahayanu, and it is essentially an unlimited cloud storage. Okay, so it's not really related to making money online, but this is something every single person that tries to make money online or is making money online needs. I'm actually paying for something similar and I'm paying monthly. This is something unlimited. This is a one-time price, and even if you are not making money online and you just want to store your files online in a safe way, this is something for you. Okay, so I'm not going to be showing you any income proof or traffic proof or none of it. This is again a backup, a cloud storage that is online, and you can just store all of your files. Okay, so let me share my screen, but first of all, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And even before I'm going to show the sales page, let me just show you that I'm actually paying monthly for DropBox. Okay, so DropBox is €11.99, which is like $15, and I'm paying monthly for DropBox, and I think I opened my account around 6 or 7 years ago, so by now I paid hundreds of dollars for it. Obviously this is something that you need to have if you're running an online business, or even if you just want to store your videos and photos, etc. Now an alternative is Google Drive, and as you can see with my DropBox I'm getting 2 terabytes. So for 2 terabytes I would have to pay $9.99 per month. That's euro, which is like $12-13, pretty much the same. And again, you have to pay for storage like this monthly. And the cool thing about ProfitDrive is that you are getting unlimited files, and this is a one-time fee. Okay, so as you can see, it says ProfitDrive right here on the sales page. Again, get unlimited cloud storage and backup for all of your files at low one-time price. Brand new DropBox killer software lets you store, backup, share, and host unlimited files in the cloud for a one-time record low fee. Say goodbye to Dropbox and Google Drive's expensive, limiting, and monthly subscriptions. So the thing about Dropbox is that despite of the fact that I'm paying monthly, I still have a limit on how much monthly downloads I have. Okay, so I have for example, I run into this problem a few times already. I have a file that I want to share with my audience, and I just upload it to Dropbox. After the first, let's say 50 people download it, it gets blocked. Okay, so Dropbox doesn't want me to share files with hundreds of thousands of people. It is to share files with, you know, a couple of people maybe. So that's another limitation of Dropbox. Even though I'm paying, it's a limitation, and with ProfitDrive there are no limits, so that's definitely a huge plus. So 3 simple steps, you can set this up. We have some testimonials. Again, a yearly Dropbox account would cost you probably $200. That depends on where you are connecting from. So guys, you can go for all of this in your own time. ProfitDrive, again, that's the name of this new cloud software. We don't have any income proof or anything like that. Again, this is not really make money online related, but this is for every single person that wants to make money online. Okay, so you're getting a 30 days money back guarantee. Again, this is being released by Radu, Mike, and Colin. So check it out once it's live. Now let me show you the inside of the members area once you will get access. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Super simple stuff. Okay, so you can drag and drop your files into it. I'm going to have a full demo to show you exactly what you can do. So you can do this with images, with audio files, with videos, with GIFs, with any file that you want to store. Okay, so you can drag and drop it right here, or you can just click on upload and upload the file like this. So let's just try it out. Then we can share the files, so you can share these files with yourself only, so you can access them via a tablet or a smartphone, or you can share them with your family, or you can just make it public and share it with everyone. And then we have the recent files start, so obviously you can just start the files that you want to, trash, and support desk. So guys, not much here, but again, but the main thing is that this is a one-time super low fee. You get to get in and get unlimited storage for all of your files. You don't have to pay monthly. That's a huge thing. So again, if you want to see the full demo, I will include it both on my YouTube channel and on my blog. And for now, let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. Okay, so as you can see, ProfitDrive will be $17, guys. So this is what I'm paying for Dropbox monthly. You get to use it forever for a one-time fee, $17. We do have some one-time offers. We have 4 one-time offers actually, and right here on my blog I have a full breakdown of what's included in each one. Okay, so ProfitDrive upsell number 1, it will be $37, and this is commercial license. Okay, so you can host files for others. You get as well unlimited everything, files, views, bandwidth, leads. You're gonna get a premium video player, auto backup, mobile friendly, SEO optimized, priority support, and also a developer's license. So again, if you're planning to use ProfitDrive for other people, that's upsell number 1. ProfitDrive upsell number 2, we have the Enterprise Edition, $47, and right here you're gonna get a cloud autoresponder, built-in automated social media sharing, full analysis, your own private sharing page, encrypted files, and you can also set a time or expiration date for files, and also an outsourcer's license. Next up we have ProfitDrive upsell number 3, done for you edition. So these are done for you products you can sell. You're getting 100% commissions on the whole funnel, SEO optimized reviews, and you can upload these to ProfitDrive or anywhere else and sell these products as your own. ProfitDrive upsell number 4 is the reseller edition, $197. This means that you can sell ProfitDrive as your own product and get 100% commissions on the whole funnel. So all 6 products, me promoting this as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions. You can make 100% commissions on the whole funnel again. And the last upsell, ProfitDrive upsell number 5, it is the IMX software bundle for $67. Here you're getting all of products released by Mike and Radu, both current and future, completely free of charge. You're gonna get full training plus case studies on how to use it, and it includes a software bundle for of all the best-selling apps. Okay, so it's $67. Obviously, all of the upsells are optional. If you just want to use ProfitDrive for yourself for a one-time fee, you can, but I would definitely recommend the unlimited edition, $37, if you're planning to use it for other people, so you're getting the commercial license and the developer's license, or maybe the enterprise edition with the cloud autoresponder built in. Okay, but again, upsells are optional and you'll be fine with the main version alone. Now let me show you all of the bonuses I have in store for you, because I have well over $5,000 worth of bonuses. And let me just tell you that ProfitDrive goes live at 11 AM Eastern on July 20th. Now, if you want to get all of these bonuses, all you have to do is just pick it up from my link. You will pick it up probably anyway, so why not pick it up from my link to get all of these bonuses? So first of all, I'm going to give you 3 custom-made bonuses, and these are 3 different ways of generating traffic and also SEO. I'm going to give you additional software bonuses, okay? So software bonus number 1 plus resellers license is Control Press, VidPix Pro, software number 2 plus resellers, Logo Studio software 3 plus resellers, VidConnect software 4 plus resellers, and VidPromo Pages software number 5 plus resellers, and number 6 we got Facebook Vidmatic, again software plus a reseller's license. Now I'm also going to give you a bunch of additional W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses and products, rapid niche profits, tube traffic avalanche, newbie traffic formula, additional bonuses including local SEO leverage, new age SEO, black hat SEO, get Google traffic, backlink basics, traffic explosion, 10-step auditing, SEO skills mastery, traffic inclination, recurring income system, targeting Instagram, product creation formula, Udemy profits, video opt-in, blog book, buzz machine, flash pages, link tweet, scarcity log, squeeze question, client extractor, image grab, viral suite, action simulator, Facebook audience builder, instant publisher, pinbook, social traffic hoover, Facebook traffic engine, Facebook photo contest, responsive slider, YouTube video gallery, Pinterest portfolio, post widget, courses plugin, authority traffic masters, Facebook live reaction, Asian press, phase zone, vid builder, press play, image and video commenter, social auto poster, slick pop, and vid bot. So guys, this is a total of 58 bonuses. But on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus. My mega bonus just recently got bigger, and it is now 116 W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses and plugins and software. And this means that the total value of this package is $5,297. Now guys, this is a real world value. You would actually have to spend this much if you would get all of these separately. On your own, you're getting all of this for free, again, just as a thank you for picking up ProfitDrive through my link. And again, to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to my blog, and the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, but only after 11 a.m. Eastern on July the 20th. So guys, right now let's sum up this ProfitDrive review. You can store unlimited files on the cloud storage for a low one-time fee. You can share them with friends and family, customers, or business contacts. All of the files will be encrypted. You're gonna get a backup of all your files, photos, videos, and documents. Hosting is included. You're gonna never lose your data, and there are 0 monthly fees. Now, what I don't like about ProfitDrive, I normally review products about making money online or working from home. This is not really super closely related to making money online, but again, if you're making money online, you will definitely need a storage drive like this. And why pay monthly if you can pay a low one-time fee and use this forever? Guys, before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus. So after picking up ProfitDrive through my link, all you have to do is go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus. So click on your icon with your name at the top right corner, go to the purchase history, click on ProfitDrive, and below the button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you get my bonus. You don't have to send me emails or receipts or claim it or anything like this. It is all done for you automatically. For the last time, ProfitDrive goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on July 20th. Make sure to pick it up through my link to get all of these bonuses. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Please like this video, and please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao.